Standard 6th, Subject Mathematics, Unit Angles, Subunit Introduction of Compass Box. Hello students, today we are going to know about this compass box. For geometrical constructions, we need this compass box. Without this compass box, we cannot draw figures. So, compass box is our best friend in mathematics. Today, we are going to know about this compass box. So, what is there? Which instruments are there in this compass box? The first instrument in this compass box is compass. This is called compass. Where do we use this compass? We use this compass to draw circles or arcs. With this compass we use pencil also. We insert here pencil and we draw circles or arcs. So this is the use of this compass. Then second is divider. This is called the divider. Where do we use, or for which purpose we use this divider? We use this divider to measure the distance between 2 points. When we want to measure the distance between 2 points, we use this divider, and with this we use ruler also. Then the third geometrical instrument is protractor. Last year you have used this protractor to draw angles, and how this protractor is used to draw angles or to measure angles, that you have learned. So this is the most important geometrical instrument in compass box. Then the next instruments, geometrical instruments, are set squares. So where do we use these set squares, that we are going to learn? See here, there are two, there is pair of set squares. So now where do we use these set squares? We use this set square to draw right angle. Here is right angle, and in this set square here is right angle. So to draw right angle we can, or to draw perpendicular, we use these two set squares. Mean when we want to draw perpendicular on line, that time these two set squares we can use. Again we can draw angles of 45 degree using this set square, because this is 90 degree. Here this angle is 45 degree and this angle is also 45 degree. So to draw 90 degree angle or 45 degree angle, we can use this set square. Now see here, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 30 degree, and this angle is 60 degree. So to draw 30 degree angle or 60 degree angle, we can use these two geometrical instruments. And the last geometrical instrument in the compass box is ruler. Ruler is very important instrument in the compass box. We use this ruler to draw line or to measure line. One thing you have to keep in your mind, that while drawing figures you have to use pencil. You should not use pen or any other thing to draw figures, but you have to use only pencil to draw figure. Now use these set squares and draw angle of 90 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 45 degree. This is your today's exercise.